Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to share some very important real tips about the Accenture interview. So here you find the things like slots, questions, real tips. So let's get started. So what you will learn in this video is to how to choose your interview slots. Second, what kind of questions are mostly asked. Then third, what really creates a strong impression on the interviewer. So if you have your Accenture interview coming up, this video can save you from making some common mistakes. So make sure to watch till the end. The very important thing is your slot booking. So whenever you will receive the interview mail, try to book your slot as early as possible. Why? Because coming to the slot preference, based on my experience, I strongly suggest first preference is your morning slots. That's basically between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then your second preference is your afternoon slots. That is 2 p.m. to 3:20, 3:40 p.m. Not more than that. Why I am saying this? Because in morning slots, these time slots are usually better because interviewers are more active and focused. And after 12 last lunchtime was started, so that's why they get irritated. So late afternoon risk is basically when it's often to close their working day, so that's why they also irritate at that time. So if possible, prefer morning slots first. If not, then prefer afternoon slots. And if someone wants to finish the interview very quickly, then yes, you can also choose the remaining slots. Maybe interviewer also want to finish fast. What questions are usually asked? Now let's talk about the interview questions. That is very important for you. The most important question and almost 100% sure is please introduce yourself. Yes, this is a very important question. So usually the interviewer first introduce themselves, then ask you to introduce yourself. So try to design your introduction in your favor, like talk more about the things you are strong in. So if you want a sample introduction or a full structure, you can comment or join the community and message me. I'll guide you. Okay, let's get to the next. So next question is basically on your projects or internship questions. Like after introduction, in most cases, they move to your projects or your internship experience if you mentioned any. So 70 to 80% of the interview resolves around your resume. Okay, so be very clear about what you wrote, what you build, why you build it, and what you have learned. Okay, so other possible questions like for the some 20% of the candidates, they come to ask basic technical questions. What's your assessment questions? What your logic behind the questions and some fundamentals questions. So keep your basics ready. Okay, so let's come to the important strategy that is very powerful. If I go deeper, this video will become very long. So, but one very important thing that I want to tell you is you can actually push the interview in your favor using your introduction and resume. Yes, it is true. I also did the same. So you can design your intro in a such way that interviewer naturally asks questions from your strongest areas. If anyone want to understand this strategy properly, you are most welcome to join the community and message me. I'll guide you personally. Okay, let's come to the last thing that is professional behavior. Yes, this is a very important thing. which you need to maintain. The last and most important part, that is your professionalism. Your selection is not about only answers. Okay. It is also about your grooming, your hairstyle, clean outfits, facial expressions, body language, eye contacts, and calmness, respectful behaviors. So these things create a huge impact. So dress properly. If prefer, then do yourself in the professional way, sit properly, smile, and stay confident to the whole interview. Okay. So let's come to the final things. My final wording for you is prepare well, revise your resume, practice your introduction, don't take unnecessary stress. Yes, interview is very easy, don't take stress, but do prepare yourself. Okay, give the interview calmly and confidently. Yes, let's do the community support. So if you need any help or guidance, join my community and message me there. I'll try my best to guide you. Yes, I personally guide all of them, whoever message me. So at last, all the best to the everyone. I hope you all perform well and get selected. So bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let's see you soon. Bye.